Hello everyone! We are back for a new episode of Kaalaman Tungkol sa Halaman.
This plant is native in the Philippines. This is called papaya, or locally named as kapayas, or scientific name known as Carica papaya.
The fruit is typically oval shaped with yellow or orange flesh when ripe.
Fun fact, papaya can survive in warmth or in tropical area and are found in the backyard or garden in the Philippines.
There are two types of papaya, the male and the female papaya. The male papaya is a non-bearing while the female papaya is bearing. But the male papaya has a purpose. It is used to cure a disease like dengue fever.
Papaya can contribute to the biodiversity by providing foods for various species and also helping their deep roots through the soil health.
Papaya can also play a role in local agriculture,
offering economic benefits to our farmers.
Laging tandaan, alagaan ating likas na halaman. Paalam!